Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern kitchen. My name is Ellen. Notice something different about me? Yep, I got a new hairstyle. Decided to get a cut and red highlights, and I love it. It's so pretty. Well, anyway, it is Super Bowl weekend. Congratulations to the New England Patriots and the Seattle Seahawks. It's going to be an amazing game. Who y'all rooting for? Let me know down below in the comment section. And today, I got a great Super Bowl recipe that your guests are going to love and enjoy. We're going to make cheesy hot shrimp dip. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, loaded with gooey cheese and fresh shrimp. And this also would be great not only for Super Bowl, but if you're hosting a baby shower or a cocktail party, this would be a hit. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more Super Bowl recipes, check out my Super Bowl and Game Day recipes playlist and my previous video, Strawberry Cake Cookie Bars. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your baking pan, get your shrimp cooked up, and your cheese grated sugar, because we're about to bake some cheesy shrimp dip magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is grate our cheese, and I recommend grating it yourself instead of buying it already shredded because it melts better and it don't have any fillers. I'm using 8 ounces each of sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Okie dokie, our cheese is nice and grated. We're going to set this aside. We're going to reserve 3/4 of a cup of each cheese to put in the filling and the rest to put on top later. In the meantime, let's work on our green onions and garlic. On another cutting board, I have 3 green onions and 2 cloves of garlic. We are going to thinly slice the green onions and mince the garlic. We want both the white and green parts. Alrighty, my friends, our green onions and garlic are nice and prepped. Now we're going to set them aside. Time to cook the shrimp. Over here on my stove top, my fire is on high heat. I have a large pot of water with a pound of fresh large shrimp that I peeled and deveined and rinsed it, and I sprinkle in some kosher salt to give our shrimp some flavor. All we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the water has came to a boil. I'm going to give it a quick stir. And shrimp don't take long to cook. Gonna let it cook for 3 minutes. But be careful not to overcook it, otherwise it'll be tough and rubbery. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my shrimp, and off camera, I removed it out the water and placed it onto my cutting board, and it's nice and clean. See how nice and pink our shrimp is? So now we are going to coarsely chop it. Alright, my friends, the shrimp is nice and coarsely chopped. We are going to set this aside. Time to make the filling. In my large bowl with an electric hand mixer, I have a 1 8-ounce block of full-fat cream cheese, and it's nice and soft. Into our cream cheese, we're going to add in about 6 to 8 dashes of hot sauce to give it a little kick. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of full-fat sour cream at room temperature and 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. And make sure you use real mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, some yummy seasonings, a 1/2 tablespoon of seafood seasoning, and 1/4 teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder. There's no need to add any salt because the cheese and Worcestershire sauce have salt in it. And our 3/4 cup of each cheese that we grated earlier, sharp cheddar and mozzarella. Going to mix these together on medium speed until they're well incorporated and smooth. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my filling, and this is what it looks like. I can smell the spices and the Worcestershire sauce. And it's nice and smooth, no lumps. That looks great. So now it's time to add in our last 3 ingredients. Our thinly sliced green onions and minced garlic. And last, but certainly not least, the star of the show, our coarsely chopped shrimp. And fold those in until they're well blended. All right, my friends, our filling is complete. How simple and easy was that? Now we are going to pour it into our baking dish. We are going to pour it in the 8 by 8 inch square baking pan, or you can use a 9 by 9 inch and it's ungreased. Going to spread it evenly. Alrighty, now we're going to sprinkle on the remaining cheeses on top, like so. Oh, this is going to be super cheesy. And spread it evenly. Alrighty, boo, you ready to go into the oven? It's nice and hot and waiting for you. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. Going to let it bake for 20 minutes so all the cheese can melt in there. Your house is going to smell amazing. My mouth's watering already. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I just taken my shrimp dip out of the oven. The cheeses is nice and melted. Oh, this is going to be great. Shrimp, cheese, cream cheese, mayonnaise. Doesn't get any better than that. So now I'm going to let it rest in the pan for about 3 minutes. And then I'll pour it into my serving bowl and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my bowl of dip right here, and I'm serving it with some Ritz crackers. You can also serve it with saltine crackers, crusty bread, tortilla chips, whatever your heart desire. And before we dig in, there's a couple of more things we got to add to it. A sprinkling of chopped green onions. And I had a couple of shrimps left over, so I'm just going to put those on top whole. After all, it is a shrimp dip. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends, hot shrimp dip. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. I got a Ritz cracker right here. Come on. You know, let me grab me a spoon. I'll be right back. There we go. So I'm just going to spoon it onto my Ritz cracker. Ooh, look at that cheese string. Fantastic. Look at that. Please have a bite. Touchdown! Cheesy, gooey. The shrimp is tender and is cooked perfectly. Great balance of flavors. Oh, I just love shrimp. It's my favorite. I can eat it every day. This shrimp dip is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Shrimp dip-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Super Bowl.